Hello students, today I will start chapter number 1 of reasoning, that is percentage. Let's see the question number 1. In this question you can see the valuation of the question is 17% of 45 kilometer. So firstly all the students, let's see how can we write 17%. 17 upon 100 of means multiply, then 45. Now do the multiply of 17 into 45. Its value will be 765 and upon 100. When we divide it, its value will be 7.65 kilometer. But students, you can see this is in the kilometer. When we convert this value into meter, so we have to do the multiply with 1000. Because all options are in the meter unit, so we have to do the multiply. That means the answer is 7650 meter. That means option number D is right. Now students, let's see the question number 2. The question number 2 is what percentage of rupees 1.84 is 46 paise. So firstly students, we will convert 46 paise into rupees. That means it will be 0.46 rupees. Now the question told you what percentage. Let the percentage be x. That means what will be the equation? X percent of 1.84 is equal to 0.46. because student, as you know that we convert 0.46 into rupees. Now moving on the next line, x percent means x upon 100, of means multiply 1.84 is equal to 0.46. Now doing the cross multiply, its value will be 0.46 into 100 upon 1.84. That means students, after solving it, its value will be 25%. This is the answer. Now let's see the next question, that is express 7.8% as decimal. So student, firstly we have to write down this value into fraction. Like as you know that 7.8% means 7.8 upon 100. Now when we divide it, its value will be 0.078. So option number C will be right for this question. Let's see the next question, that is express 24% as a fraction. So student, 24% means 24 upon 100. Can we cancel it? Yes, we can cancel it from the table of 4. 4 6 are 24, then 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. So the answer of this question will be 6 upon 25. That means option number B. Student, let's see the next question, that is MRP of a pen drive is reduced from rupees 870 to rupees 580. Find the percentage reduction in price. This when you can see actual price of the pen is 870 and it is reduced to 870 to 580, and we have to find out the percentage of reduction. That means reduction, firstly you have to find out the reduction amount. Reduction amount is 870 to 580. So you have to subtract it. After subtracting it, its value will be 290 rupees. So after this you have to change the value of percentage in reduction. Percentage reduction, the formula of the percentage reduction will be reduction amount, that is 290 rupees upon actual amount. What is the actual amount? Actual amount is 870. rupees, and it should be multiplied by 100. And when we solve it, its value will be 33 whole 1 upon 3%. That is option number C will be right for this solution. Let's see the next question, that is which of the following is the biggest number. Students, you have to solve this question from the options. Like the first option is 0.5, so we can't reduce this. Next one is 1 upon 5. When we divide it, its value will be 0.2. Next one is 5%. 5% means 5 upon 100. And when we divide it, its value will be 0.05. And next one is 5:1. That means we can write this value 5 upon 1. That means we can write this value 5. So which is the biggest number? You can see here is 0.5, here is 0.2, here is 0.05, and here is 5. So option number D will be right for this solution. Let's see the next question. The next question is Venugopal, Nandgopal and Shri Gopal shared the prize money in the ratio 2:3:5. That means total money is total money will be added. That means 2 plus 3 plus 5. That means 10. Suppose 10 is the total money. Okay, then the question told you what percent money did Nandgopal get. Students, according to this question, what is the ratio of Venugopal? Venugopal's ratio is 2, Nandgopal's ratio is 3, and Sri Gopal's ratio is 5. So according to the question, we have to find out the percentage money did Nandgopal get. So Nandgopal's percentage money equal to, what is the share of Nandgopal? It is 3. And what is the total money? It is 10. And it should be multiplied with 100. That means the answer of this percentage money is 30%. That means option number B will be right for this question. Now students, let's see the next question. Mukhtar bought an electric gadget for rupees 5,000. He paid tax of rupees 200 on it and paid rupees 300 for its accessories. That means its total CP will be, firstly we have to find out the total cost price. CP means cost price. It will be 5,000 was the electric gadget's price. Then he paid rupees 200 as a tax. Then he paid rupees 300 as a accessories. After adding it, its value will be rupees 5,500. Then students, in this question, selling price value is given. That is rupees 6,500. As we know that student, if the selling price is greater than the cost price, then always be profit. Profit means gain or gain. What is the formula of profit? SP minus CP, whereas SP is selling price and CP for cost price. Now do the subtraction. 6,500 minus 5,500. After solving it, its value will be rupees 1,000 will be the profit after selling the electronic gadget. Now students, you can see after finding the profit, we have to find out the profit percent. The formula of profit percent is profit upon CP. Profit's value is 1,000. CP's value is 5,500. It should be multiplied with 100. And after solving it, its value will be 18.18%. That means option number B. Now let's see the next question, that is if a pen is sold at rupees 8 with a loss of 20%, find its cost price. Students, in this question SP is given, that is rupees 8, and then loss percent is given, that is 20%, and the formula of CP is 100 upon 100 minus loss percent, and it should be multiplied with SP. Now put the values here. 100 upon 100 minus loss percent value is 20 and multiplied by SP's value is 8. Now solve it. 100 upon 100 minus 20, that means 80, and it should be multiplied with 8. When we solve this, its value will be rupees 10. That means option number B will be right for this question also. Now let's see the next question, that is if ratio of CP to selling price is 5:7. Student, you can see here cost price value is 5 and selling price value is 7. That means firstly we will let, because these are in the ratio, let CP is equal to 5x. Then what will be the SP? Its value will be 7x. And as you know that the profits formula, profit is equal to SP minus CP. That means 7x minus 5x. Its value will be 2x. And after this, the question told you find the profit percent. And as I told you in the previous question, what is the formula of profit percent? Its value will be profit upon CP. CP's value is 5x and it should be multiplied with 100. That means, students, you can see x and x will be cancelled, 5 and 100 will be cancelled, 5 2s are 10 and 0 will be increased. That means 20 2s are 40%. That means which option will be right for this? D option. Let's see the next question, that is Mini deposited rupees 900 in her saving account. That means here the principal is equal to rupees 900. Then a rate of interest 12%. That means R's value is given, that is 12% per annum. After this, the question told you in what time she will earn an interest of rupees 324, and interest value is given, that is rupees 324, and according to the question we have to find out the time. When you are in the class number 6 or 7, students, you know about the simple interest formula. Simple interest equal to formula was P multiply R multiply T upon 100. Now we will apply the values here. Interest value is given in the question, that is 324. Principal value is given, that is 900. Multiplied R's value is given, that is 12, and T we have to find, so we noted here T as a time upon 100. Now when we find out the value of T, its value will be 3 years after solving it. That means which option will be right? Option number C. Now let's see the next question, that is if 30% of 140 is equal to x% of 840, then we have to find out the value of x. Let's see, student, how can we solve 30% of 140. 30%, how can we write? 30 upon 100. Of means multiply, it should be multiplied with 140 is equal to, then x%. X% means x upon 100. Of means multiply, then 840. Now students, we can solve. 0 0 will be cancelled from here, and also from here 0 will be cancelled. Now let's moving on the next step. 3 into 14, it will be 42. and 10 it should be transferred in this side, that means multiplied by 10 is equal to 84x. Now 84 should be transferred in next side, that means x is equal to 420 upon 84, and when we solve this its value will be 5. So which option will be right? B option. Now students, let's see the next question, that is George bought a car at rupees 5,000 and sold it at rupees 5,500. What benefit in percent did he make? Let's see the question. Students, you can see the cost price of the car is given, that is rupees 5,000. Selling price of the car is given also, that is rupees 5,500. And students, from here you can see which one is greater. SP is greater than CP, that means it will be a profit. So as I told you in the previous questions, profit formula is SP minus CP, that means 5,500 minus 5,000, so its value will be rupees 500. Now students, according to the question told you what benefit in percent, that means now we have to find out the percent, profit percent. Profit percent, as I told you, the formula of the profit percent is profit upon CP. CP's value is 5,000 and it should be multiplied with 100. Now student, 3 zeros will be cancelled from here, that means 5 tens are 50 upon 5. So the answer of this part will be 10%. That means which option will be right? B option will be right. Now students, try to solve each and every rest of the questions of this exercise. Thank you.